How can I learn options trading? Pick a mentor in the field you would like to learn more about. Find someone with an established track record and follow their trades for a few months or years before investing your own money. You will not be so quick to lose everything. If you are interested in simple option swing trades, you can join us inside the Empirical Collective. My team has worked incredibly hard, and it's paid off for our members with a 94% win rate and an average return per trade over 24%. Some people are looking for short-term gains without any experience in the market, knowledge of the options available, how they work, or what could happen if they got it wrong. It's like those people who buy lottery tickets instead of putting together a financially sound life plan. Instead, they should focus on regular savings and premium investment opportunities that would provide them with sustainable intermediate to long-term income streams, especially when times get tough and they need extra cash flow. But I digress. If there's still room, you can join us inside the empiricalcollective.com. But if you're looking for complicated option strategies or day trading, we aren't the group for you.